So we're staying at the Ascot Premium Hotel, which is just here. It's about less than 5-minute walk to Old Town and less than 5 minutes to the shopping centre that we've just been to. Bar. And every floor just outside the lift is a water machine. There's the lift. And the stairs. Restaurant is downstairs on level -1. So this is the Ascot Premium Hotel in Krakow. We are staying in a... what are we staying in, Tim?
Premium double or twin room.
Premium double or twin room. This is room 210. Overview of the room. So just on the left we have our bathroom. So we have got a sink, some towels, and a little bin underneath, and a little bit of storage space on the side. We have got some hand soap and some body lotion. And then we've got a hairdryer and the towel radiator here. A nice illuminated mirror, hello. And then we've got a toilet, obviously. And I'll come back a bit. Got a corner shower here. Standard shower head. And we've got hair and body shampoo and conditioner. And then on our right we have Tim. we haven't actually had a quick look yet, have we? So here is a mirror. There's a shoehorn included and some hooks. Is this? No, this doesn't move. No. And then
this is
a wardrobe. Oh, nice size wardrobe. Some shelves. There's also a space down the bottom for shoes.
There's earplugs.
Earplugs.
And a shoe sponge and a little sewing kit.
Oh, that's good, because I was looking for some sewing bits.
But you might need the earplugs for a reason.
Yeah, I'll show you in a second why. So there's a little space up the top as well. There is an air conditioning unit blowing up here because it's quite unseasonably warm for March at the moment. So there is also over here a mini fridge. We haven't looked in the mini fridge either. We haven't really had a look at it. So little mini fridge. And then we've got, there's no sockets on this side of the bed. Because the fridge is in the sockets, but there's some light switches on this side of the bed. And the beds are separate at the moment. Thanks, Tim.
Oh.
Presumably you could ask for them to be, they're zip and link beds, so presumably you could ask for them to be joined. But the standard for Poland is separate duvets, anyway. On this side of the bed, on both sides you have got a reading light, but on this side of the bed there is a plug. And there's also some sockets down here. No USBs. And then we've got a little workstation with 2 chairs. Phone. Another socket. And I'll show you this out in the corridor in a bit, but they've got water machines opposite the lifts. So they give you a craft to and fill up your water. Tea and coffee making facilities, which is nice. Don't always get that in Europe. My dad has already taken some of the things from the drawer, but there was some milk and some breakfast tea in here as well. Then we've got a little corner with a lamp and a coffee table. Now, our view isn't anywhere near as pretty as it was when we were in Zakopane. So the reason there's probably earplugs is because we are right on the train track. And it is quite busy. I haven't heard anything with the window closed, but with the window open it is quite noisy. And there's been quite a few trains going past.